Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, December 25th. The reflection for today is solitude. Solitude is not a four-letter word. The knowings you desire come in times of solitude. The gods visit you then. They nurture you with insight and sometimes surprising sights when you choose your solitude in nature. You must make regular appointments with solitude. Your Franklin planner will accept this appointment when you write it in. Solitude is quiet time. It is always done alone and usually without any physical movement. It may be sitting on your porch in your favorite wicker rocker for 15 uninterrupted minutes. An hour is ideal. Looking at your surroundings, journaling, or daydreaming. Sometimes I get in my van and drive to the lake. I park facing a serene view and simply allow my mind to settle, ponder. I often stay in the van. Sometimes I play music, but I have become comfortable with silence and find myself craving it. Solitude, simple, sacred, necessary, life-giving. Solitude gives you spirit space and time to reacquaint itself with your being. Time to fill up your vessel. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, coming into stillness. You may want to close your eyes gently or keep them open, whatever you want. And take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me silently or out loud. I give myself permission to practice solitude. I am using solitude to learn to love myself again by pure reacquaintance. I am filling up my vessel. I give myself permission to practice solitude. I am using solitude to learn to love myself again by pure reacquaintance. I am filling up my vessel. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be I give myself permission to practice solitude. I am using solitude to learn to love myself again by pure reacquaintance. I am filling up my vessel. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.